Hello guys, German here, another Just My review, and well, as you guys can see, I'm right here in my shop, and well, guess what is this? Well, probably some of you guys know. Well, these are the grippers, and what is this for? Well, you will see as soon as we start this video, and I'm gonna show you an easy way to use these grippers in a different size of platters, guys. Alright, stay tuned and let's go and do this right now. Alright guys, well, as I told you, I got these grippers, and probably some of you guys new in the market probably don't know what is this. Some of you probably know. This is the purpose of these grippers is to hold in place when we got like hoodies or big garment that sometimes no matter what you do, you cannot put in stretch it right, and it's gonna hit the sensors, especially right here in these areas, and you're gonna get problems and a hard time with that. And some of you guys gotta use some kind of stuff to hold it in place. Well, with these guys, you don't have to do it. The only problem with this is that if you wanna use this in another a platinum size, well, you have to basically buy it for the specific one. Now in my case, you know, especially how is the economy right now, I find out an easy way, because as you guys see, this one got some 3M. I don't know if this is a 3M tape, and you put it right here, and it's gonna be basically permanent, and you're not gonna be able to move it. And honestly, I don't like too much the idea of stuff that is permanent. I like to use stuff like this, and I'm gonna show you guys in how to use this. Well, you guys know what is this. This is the dual lock padding tape, and the good thing about this one is that it's plastic and is strong, and this is commercial grade. You guys can see right there, it's 3M dual lock, and we cut it in the size we want, and you guys will see what is the idea. We can line it up right here. Then I'm gonna use these guys right here. I'm gonna put a piece over here, and simple as that, I just put it in the place I want. And if for any reason I'm gonna get a bigger one, I can use it. If I get the bigger size, basically the plot on the bigger size, I can get this one. Probably for the small ones, probably I'm not gonna be able to use it. Maybe just these guys, these two guys, and you know, I think it's gonna be good enough. I don't think I'm not gonna need, well, probably in some cases you will need the whole 4 sizes, but you know, it's good to try it. Let me install this, and I'm gonna show you guys how this looks like. Just simple as this. You know, we got 4 tapes right here. I'm gonna cut 4 little pieces of this dual lock and put it in place, and let's see how it works and how strong is this guy. Alright guys, and finally this is how it looks. And well, you know, if you don't want to spin in another set, the only thing you gotta do is just, you know, get these guys right here, and you know, they hold him very good. And take a look, these are just, the only thing you just gotta do is just remove it and use more of these little padlocks in the other buttons, and you're gonna be able to use these guys right here, and you know, just snap it in, and you hear the clicks. Super easy, and they're not going nowhere. I love these guys, you know, I love this. But you know, if you can buy the other sets, well, that's good. In my case, I prefer to do this, and well, that's another way to save some money. Alright guys, well, that's it for today. See you guys later in another Just My Review. Bye bye.